Good morning, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video we are going to now see indices at work. Simple indices. We are going to have to explain example 10, and we are talking about 9 raised to power a half. 9 raised to power a half. This is the same as, because we know the laws of indices which have been explained in a different slide. 9 raised to power a half is the square root of 9 upon which everything could be raised to power 1. And of course, everybody knows that the square root of 9 is simply a 3. 3 raised to power 1 remains a 3. And that is just it. In part B, we are saying that this is 64 raised to power 1 over 3. And the denominator becomes the root and the numerator becomes the index now. So the third root of 64 upon which everything is raised to power 1. And incidentally, the third root of 64, I don't know whether people know how to get the third root of any number. So we talk about the third root of 64 equals to 4. The third root of 64 equals to 4. So 4 raised to power 1 is the same as just 4. And that is the end of that question. Part C is 49 raised to power 3 over 2. And as we have said, this is going to be, the denominator is 2. So we are going to have the square root of 49 upon which we raise to power 3. And the square root of 49, we all know it is actually 7. This is 7. 7 raised to power 3. And we would wish to know that 7 raised to power 3 is 343. This is 343. And interestingly, we have now part D, which is 25 raised to power minus 3 over 2. And you can see the power is negative. And that dictates that it should actually, the whole term which is having this index should go to the denominator. And because there is nothing apart from 1 in the numerator, we have 1 over 25 raised to power 3 over 2. And that is just like it. So the denominator now is 25 raised to power 3 over 2. So we have 1 over the square root of 25. Ordinarily, when we are looking for the square root, we don't bring the 2 here. But for the sake of understanding, let us just do it. Raised to power 3. And this is, we all know the square root of 25 is 5 and 5 cubed. So we have 1 over 5 cubed. And we all know that 5 cubed again is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. So that is the final submission. And that is the way to go as far as that question is concerned. And let us meet in the next video.